Aromatherapy is the practice of using essential oils extracted from plants to promote physical and emotional health. Essential oils contain concentrated plant extracts that have been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments and conditions. In this video, we will explore the benefits of aromatherapy and how it can enhance your well-being. One of the most well-known benefits of aromatherapy is that it can help reduce stress and anxiety. Essential oils like lavender, bergamot, and chamomile have been shown to have calming effects and promote relaxation. Aromatherapy can be used in a variety of settings, such as during a massage or in a diffuser in your home. Some essential oils, such as eucalyptus and tea tree oil, have antimicrobial properties that can help boost your immune system and fight infections. Others, such as lemon and peppermint, can help alleviate symptoms of cold and flu. Inhaling these oils can also help clear your respiratory system. Certain essential oils have analgesic properties that can help reduce pain and inflammation. Oils like peppermint and ginger have been shown to alleviate headaches, while frankincense and myrrh can help soothe sore muscles and joints. Aromatherapy can be a natural way to manage pain without relying on medication. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, aromatherapy might be able to help. Essential oils like lavender and chamomile are known for their sleep-inducing effects and can help you relax before bed. Using a diffuser to infuse your bedroom with these scents could help you have a better night's rest. Aromatherapy is a natural and versatile way to improve your physical and emotional health. The benefits of essential oils are vast and include stress and pain relief, immunity boosting, and sleep improvement. Try incorporating aromatherapy into your daily routine and see how it can enhance your well-being.